Alright, I'm gonna document and see how good this turns out, but I'm gonna wet sand the hood because that thing's just hideous. I'm gonna try the 600, see if that's not too heavy. If it is, then I need to try to find some 800 grit or something. I think I might have some in the garage. I don't know how good you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see that, but that's what it's going to look like after it's wet sanded and hopefully cleared. It'll look a little better. Hell yeah, it's getting there. Doing the finish wet sand. Then time to clean, prep, tape off, get ready for some clear coat. Alright, I hit it with 3 coats of the Rust-Oleum 2K clear. Some of it orange peeled, some of it didn't. Some got runs because, as you see, it's windy. So if I had the Del Sol where I could pull it out, I would have pulled it in there, but it looks way better than what it did. So I'm sure if I wet sand it down with some 8 or 1,000 grit, it'll turn out good. Well, better. Alright, there it is. Just a quick wet sand. Well, not quick. Better be ready to take at least, I don't know, 5 to 8 hours doing this.